All right, step number 11, this tab is referred to as our summary. Now, I need you guys to pay a lot of attention to this because this is all the stuff that's affecting the price of your quote. But before we get into the true summary, we have a feature called Bill Says. Bill Says is just a place to kind of clue you in what's adding money to the patio cover. So when we designed it in the previous videos, we added some lights and we added some fans. If we were to remove those for this particular size patio cover, it would reduce it by $427. Another opportunity on this patio cover is we can save $99 by removing those tails, okay? So these are all cost savings to you guys if you remove them and you're good with that aesthetically for your patio cover. As we jump into the summary, I just want to slow down a little bit and say this is the most important thing when you get a quote from us, because unlike any other company, our software is calling on engineering in real time. So a lot of customers go, okay, well, I'm going to shop this patio cover around. In this summary, if no company is producing a summary like this, you should question why aren't they doing that? And the reason being is because we call on the engineering, our software, we're choosing the correct gauge of material. We don't have any other choice. A lot of contractors might skimp out on the gauge of the material to drive down their cost savings. So we don't want to do that because we want it built to code, right? So as you're reading the summary, we have a 13 by 20. The roof gauge is a .020. Now, some people might use a 018. Another company might use a 018 to cheat the engineering, again, to drive that pricing down. So in this one, it's an 020. As we scroll down, because this is a 2-post cover, we have some inserts. Right here, we have a post insert for an 040 aluminum, and that's to get this particular cover down to 2 posts. So please pay attention to this section, and if you're getting price comparisons out there, it should match up apples to apples and not apples to oranges. See you in the next video.